happening? Thanks for stopping by and checking out the channel. My name is Yadlovski, and if you're just getting into DaVinci Resolve, you've come to the right place. I've got lots of good videos to help you get going, because let's be honest, if you're just starting out and you never used it before, there's a lot to learn and a pretty steep learning curve. But hopefully some of these videos are going to help you out and help get you going. I've also got more advanced videos once you've learned the basics, just to help make your video edits look better and help you learn how to edit better in DaVinci Resolve. We also talk about some gear stuff and sometimes even a little bit of photo stuff or camera stuff, because it's all part of the process, right? So take a look around. I hope you find some helpful videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace!